Hey guys, it's teardown time of the new freshly released IKEA MYGGSPRAY motion detector. This, just like everything else that's been released right now, is Matter compatible, meaning that you don't need an IKEA Hub in order to use it. If, for example, you have a HomePod, this can talk directly to it. Now, it's now also round. Previous models used to be square. This unit here is made in Vietnam. So the construction now is a little bit more interesting. I don't think the other one had these, the older one had these sides. This lets you put it in the corner. So just clamp it onto this side here rather than just in the middle. This, of course, can be removed in order to access the sensor itself. And there it is. And there's one more door for removing the battery cover, and this lets you access the battery bay. So as the cover says, this is IP67. So I think they've added some gasketing around here to prevent water ingress, because this is the only one that I think can be used outdoors. Apparently not. Oh yeah, there it is. So they've overmolded a rubber gasket on here. So that's why there's nothing else to protect the battery bay. And we're probably going to see some more gasketing around the casing of the unit. So this will be a little bit harder to take apart than what we've done before. But let's give it a try. I was already looking at it before. So it's probably going to be double clipped as well. So that is going to be a bit of a nightmare to take open. Okay, we can see more gasketing here as well. And there we go. So, okay. There it is. Now the gasket here is actually massive. And it includes, okay, so nice. So it's a three-part construction. You have the front dome here, which is of course transparent to the infrared, and in the middle they've sandwiched in this white gasket, which also works for enclosing the back chassis. So they've done one single gasketing for both the front dome here, so this surface right here, and for the outer connection, the outer interface with the back case. So that's pretty smart. So there are two screws, actually maybe three, because one has been hidden away. Let's remove them. So it's one, and the third one I think is underneath. Yes, so the third one is underneath this little foam light guide. And there it is. So this is a two-layer PCB. I've just taken apart the BLA's remote control, and that was a single one-layer PCB. So I thought that maybe they could have done some optimization here as well. But no, it's a very small PCB. Pairing button is right here in the corner, and the microcontroller, I think it's different this time around. I will put the part number again in the description if I find it. This is the motion sensor. That's again a very standard part. And we have three LEDs now. One of them is a bit larger, so I don't know if it's another kind of sensor, but they've all enclosed under this foam, which is probably a light guide that will then go to the front here. As you see, there's this clear plastic thing to let the guide through. And the Mac just finished installing the operating system. So thanks again for watching, and this is a quick teardown of the all-new IKEA MYGGSPRAY. So I'll continue on with the teardowns. Thanks for watching.